Got a DHS file from Door Adobe Illustrator plugins? This is a selection data file from the popular Illustrator extensions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Door selection files in design workflows. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier DHS file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. DHS files are selection data files created by Door plugins for Adobe Illustrator. They contain saved selection states for vector artwork, including object selections, layer selections, and group selections, enabling designers to save and recall complex selections across editing sessions in Illustrator-based design workflows. Door DHS files use a structured format storing selection criteria, object references, and metadata identifying selected artwork elements. The format follows Door plugin specifications, integrating with Adobe Illustrator's object model for accurate selection restoration across editing sessions on saved Illustrator documents. Optimal handling of the DHS format is achieved using Adobe Illustrator by Adobe. To access all data streams, audio-video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows may preview the artwork, but refinement must occur in compatible design applications. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the DHS file and choose Open With. Prioritize Adobe Illustrator if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file link. If you are still having trouble opening the DHS file, do not worry. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, opening in Illustrator. Launch Adobe Illustrator with appropriate Door plugins installed and open the corresponding AI document. Use the Door panel to load the DHS selection file, restoring the saved selection state. Apply the selection to perform editing operations on the previously selected artwork elements. Next, installing Door plugins. Install Door plugins like CAD Tools Universal or other Door extensions to enable DHS file support. Download plugins from Door's official site and follow installation instructions for your Illustrator version. Verify plugin loading through Illustrator's plugins menu before working with DHS files. Finally, sharing selection states. Exchange DHS files with team members working on collaborative Illustrator projects. Recipients with the same Door plugins can load shared selections, accelerating collaborative editing workflows. Document selection purposes when sharing for clarity in team-based design projects involving complex artwork. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.